Okay, so let us start the solution. So since it is linear in y, we have to solve by using the case 1. That means you have to convert this equation into dy by dx plus py equal to q. Okay na? So for that purpose, dy by dx plus, so divide with x log x. So 1 by x into y equal to 2. 2x log x by x log x. So x log x will be cancelled. So equal to 2. Yeah? And now, so this is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. Yeah? So here, so this is the p value. This one is p. Yeah? So this one is q. Now what is if? If equal to e power integral p dx. So this is equal to e power integral. What is the p value? 1 by x log x dx. Okay. And now integral 1 by x log x. What is this? E power log of log x. Yes or no? Log of log x. Integral 1 by x log x. Log of log x. Yeah. Here base is there. So this is nothing but log x. Yeah. So if equal to log x. If is log x. Okay. And now, so what is the general solution? So the general solution is y into if equal to q in integral q into if dx plus c. Okay. Now y into log x equal to integral, what is q? Q is 2. 2 log x dx plus c. Yeah. And now this is equal to 2 into integral log x. Integral log x is x into log x minus 1 plus c. Okay. So this is the solution. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, it's very simple problem. Yeah. Is it clear? I think I gave homework problem. Homework problems 2 or 3 problems. 2 problems, sir. I think I gave 2 homework assignment problems. Have you seen or not? Okay, second problem raladu. Okay, I will explain. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so second problem, I will do it. So what is the second problem? x into x square plus 1, x into x square plus 1 dy by dx equal to y into 1 minus x square, y into 1 minus x square plus x square log x plus x square log x. Yeah, is it okay, Pawan? कैसे Pawan? Yeah, this problem only. Okay, yeah, we will solve it. See, first, whenever the problem is given, first of all, you have to check whether it is linear or not. If it is linear, linear in x or linear in y. Okay, na? So, here dy by dx is there. Okay, na? So, then you have to search for y. So, here dy by dx is there, here y is there. So, they are separated. So, they are not multiplied. So, obviously, it is linear in y. Linear in y. Okay, na? So, then what we have to do? You have to convert this total equation into the form of first case. That is dy by dx plus py equal to q. Okay, na? So, dy by dx equal to y into 1 minus x square by x into x square plus 1 plus x square log x by x into x square plus 1. Yeah. Okay. And now here dy by dx plus py now. So take this to left side. Yeah. So that is dy by dx. Okay. If you take this side plus x square minus 1 by x into x square plus 1 y equal to x square log x by x into x square plus 1. Okay, na? Yeah. Is it clear? So take this term to left side. This is 1 minus x square. Actually minus of 1 minus x square minus 1. Yeah. Now this is our p. This is our p. And this is our q. Okay. So p is a function of x and q also function of x. Yeah. Now what you have to do? You have to find if. You have to find if. So if equal to e power integral p dx. So which equal to e power integral, what is p? X square minus 1 by x into x square plus 1 dx. Yeah. Okay, fine. Now what we have to do? See here x square plus 1 is there. Yeah. Here x square minus 1 is there. So you have to think about it this. Actually here what you have to do? You have to apply the partial fractions here. You have to apply the partial fractions here. Yeah. Otherwise do one thing. So here plus 1 and minus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1. We have to apply like this also. So how can we do partial fraction? So here x square minus 1 by x into x square plus 1. This is one factor. This is one factor. Okay. Now so I will do partial fractions here. I will write separately partial fractions. So x square minus 1 by x into x square plus 1 equal to a by x plus bx plus c by x square plus 1. Clear? So x one factor and x square plus 1 another factor. So this is linear factor. So a by x. This is quadratic factor. So bx plus c by x square plus 1. Okay. Now we have to find a value, b value, c value. Okay. So x square minus 1 equal to a into x square plus 1 plus b into x. Yes. Now first take x equal 0. If you take x equal 0, this is minus 1. So this is a. This becomes 0. X equal 0 means this becomes 0. So what is the a value? A value minus 1. Okay, na? Fine. Now take x square coefficient. X square coefficient is 1. Here x square coefficient is a plus b. A plus b. A plus b. So this implies what is b? B equal to 1 minus a. A value minus 1. So 1 plus 1, which is 2. So b value is 2. Okay. Now you have to find c value. To find c value, now what coefficient of to find c value, let coefficient of x. Okay, na? Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 0. Here coefficient of x is cx is only cx is there. Okay, na? So c. So c value is 0. C value 0. And now write here all this time right here. What you will get? So e power integral a by x. A value minus 1. So minus 1 by x plus bx plus c. B value 2. 2x by x square plus 1 dx. Is it clear? कैसे पवन? कैसे पवन are you okay? Partial fractions. Okay, good. Now you have to integrate. So what you will get? This is equal to e power integral minus 1 by x. Okay, na? Integral minus 1 by x. So minus log x minus integral 1 by x log x. Okay, na? So this is f dash x by f of x. F dash because the derivative of this one is this. So plus log x square plus 1. Yeah. Now this is equal to log a minus log b. Log a by b. So e power log x square plus 1 by x. X square plus 1 by x. So this is equal to x square plus 1 by x. So this is the IF. Yeah, clear? So this is IF. IF equal to x square plus 1 by x. Okay. Now once if you got IF, then it is easier to solve the problem. Okay now? Now what is the general solution? So the general solution is y into IF equal to integral q into IF dx plus c. So y into x square plus 1 by x equal to integral what is q? X square log x by x into x square plus 1 into IF x square plus 1 by x dx plus c. Okay. Now here x square plus 1 will be cancelled. X square plus 1 will be cancelled. Here see x square x into x square will be cancelled. So what we have? So this is equal to integral log x dx. Log x dx plus c. So integral log x into log x minus 1 plus c. Okay na? Clear? So that's all. Y into x square plus 1 by x. Is it okay, everybody? Okay. Second step లో యా దట్స్ వాట్ సమత అదే నేను చెప్పాను. ఇప్పుడు ఇది లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ తీసుకొస్తే ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంటుంది యాక్చువల్గా. ఇక్కడ ఏముంటుంది, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంటుంది, మైనస్ వై ఇంటూ 1 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ కదా. బట్ ఇక్కడ ఏం రాసాం, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 1 రాసాం, అంటే మైనస్ కామన్ తీసి డైరెక్ట్ రాశాను అనమాట. అది ఇజ్ ఇట్ ఓకే? ఎస్, ఇది తీసుకొస్తే మైనస్ వస్తుంది, బట్ 1 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ కదా, ఇది ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 1 మైనస్ కామన్ తీస్తాం, మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్ అయిపోతుంది అది. ఓకేనా? గుడ్. ఓకే. So we will solve one more problem. Okay, so this is the problem. 2 plus sin x into dy by dx plus y plus 1 cos x equal to 0. And y of 0 equal to 1 is given. Then find the value of y of pi by 2. Yeah. So first of all, what we have to do? So if it is linear, linear in x or linear in y, that's what we have to check. One by 3. Answer 1 by 3 na? Okay. Okay, so we will do. So Uday Kiran told the answer is 1 by 3. Okay na? So we will check it. So is it linear in x or y? Please respond. Linear in x or y? Yeah. So linear in y, because dy by dx here y. Okay, those are not multiplied. So linear in y. So we have to take this equation into the form of first case. Yeah. Okay. So dy by dx. So you have to divide with this term 2 plus sin x plus y plus 1 into cos x by 2 plus sin x equal to 0. Yeah, you have to separate this term. So dy by dx plus cos x by 2 plus sin x into y. So y cos x, y into cos x, y cos x, okay, by 2 plus sin x, and remaining cos x by this one. Take right side, minus cos x by 2 plus sin x. Is it okay? Split this one, y cos x plus cos x. Yeah. So cos x by 2 plus sin x into y equal to minus cos x by 2 plus sin x. Yeah. Now here this is our p. This is p, and this one is q. They are functions of x. Now we have to find if. So if equal to e power integral p dx. So which equal to e power integral cos x by 2 plus sin x dx. Yeah. Now 2 plus sin x derivative is cos x. Okay na? So f dash x by f of x. So this is equal to e power log 2 plus sin x. So this is equal to 2 plus sin x. So if is 2 plus sin x. Yeah. Now it's easy. Now the general solution is y into if equal to integral q into if dx plus c. Okay. Now so y into 2 plus sin x equal integral what is q minus cos x by 2 plus sin x into 2 plus sin x dx plus c. Okay. Now here 2 plus sin x will be cancelled. Yeah. Now this is equal to integral minus cos x, which is minus sin x plus c. So y into 2 plus sin x equal to minus sin x plus c. This is the solution. So what is given? Y of 0 equal to 1. Y of 0 equal to 1. So substitute x equal 0, then y equal to 1. So 1 into 2 plus sin 0 0 equal to 0 plus c. This implies what is c? C value is 2. C value 2. Yeah. Now we have to find y value at pi by 2. Y value at pi by 2. Okay na? So x equal to pi by 2. So y into 2 plus sin pi by 2 1 equal to minus sin pi by 2 minus 1 plus c value 2. Yeah. So this is 3y equal to 1. So y equal to 1 by 3. Yeah. Y equal to 1 by 3. Yeah, it's correct, Uday. Mamata, yeah, 1 by 3. Good. Okay. Yeah, I think you are good in linear differential equation. You understood very well. Yeah. Of course. Yeah. We can do this by using variable separable also. By using variables and separable also. Because say, this y take left side dy by y and cos x by 2 plus sin x. Yeah. Here from this dy by y plus 1 plus cos x by 2 plus sin x into dx equal to 0. Yeah. So variable separable you can do by using variable separable dy by y plus 1 plus cos x by 2 plus sin x into dx equal 0. Yeah, we can do by using variable separable also. Yeah. But actually here we are doing linear differential equation. That's why we follow this one. Okay na? But in the competitive exam, the variable separable method is very easy. You will get answer quickly because this is log y plus 1. This is plus log 2 plus sin x equal to c. You will get answer within 2 steps. No need of find if all this. But as we are doing linear differential equation, we follow that process. But in competitive exams, you don't follow this method. Directly by using variable separable, you can solve it. Okay na? Yeah. Anybody have a doubt? Clear? Okay, now one more problem. So y square dx plus x minus 1 by y dy equal to 0. And y of 1 equal to 1. Okay, y of 1 equal to 1. Then what is the value of x? Then what is the value of x? This is the problem. Yeah. So first of all, observe the equation. First of all, observe the equation. So is it linear in x or linear in y? Or it is possible to variable separable? Is it possible to variable separable? So obviously it is not possible for variable separables. Yeah, because x and y both are mixed with dx and dy. Okay, na? So tell me, which is linear in x or linear in y? If it is linear in y, then we can write this dy by dx plus py equal to q. If it is linear in x, then you have to write this dx by dy plus px equal to q. Okay. Hmm. What about others? Why other people won't respond? Bhavan Supriya, Abhishek Reddy, Shiva Reddy. I am asking the questions to all the people who are in the meeting. Okay, na? Not only Uday Kiran, not only KC Pawan. I am asking all the students. Respond. Yeah, linear in X. Yeah, good catch. Okay, na? See, because y square dx, x dy, okay, na? 1 by y dy. See, observe 1 by y dy. So 1 by y dy means here how it is y with dy. So both are multiplied. Okay, na? Y with dy they are multiplied. Yeah. So it is not linear in y obviously. Then we have to check for x. So here y x is here, dx is here. They are not multiplied. So it is linear in x. So we have to write this is in the form of second case. Okay. Yeah. So you have to write dx by dy formula. So what we have to do? Y square dx equal to, so 1 by y minus x into dy. Yeah. So send this term to right side. Now dx by dy equal to 1 by y minus x by y square. Yeah. Dx by dy equal to 1 by y minus x by y square. Yeah. Now dx by dy equal to 1 by y square, 1 by y cube minus x by y square. Yeah. So dx by dy plus x by y square equal to 1 by y cube. Yeah. Now this is in second case. Okay na? Here what is p? The p is this one. 1 by y square is p. And this one is q. Yeah. This is 1 by y square is p. 1 by y cube is q. Okay. Now what is if? So if equal to e power integral p dy. So this is equal to e power integral 1 by y square. Okay, 1 by y square dy. Yeah. Okay. Now integral 1 by y square. Integral 1 by y square is minus 1 by y. Okay na? So this is equal to e power minus 1 by y. So this is if. Okay. Now the general solution is x into if. X into if equal to integral q into if dy plus c. Clear? Now x into what is if? E power minus 1 by y. Yes, e power minus 1 by y. So equal to integral, what is q? Q is 1 by y cube. 1 by y cube e power minus 1 by y dy plus c. Yeah. How can we solve this one? How can we find this integration? 1 by y cube e power minus 1 by y. So let 1 by y as a t. Okay na? Let 1 by y as a t. So let minus 1 by y equal to t. For simplicity, I am taking minus 1 by y equal to t. Yeah. So differentiating with respect to y on both sides, what you will get? 1 by y square dy equal to dt. Yeah. 1 by y square dy equal to dt. Is it clear? Yeah, substitute. Yeah. Okay, minus 1 by y equal to substitute cheste 1 by y square dy equal to dt. Then this becomes this equal to integral. See, here 1 by y cube, 1 by y square into 1 by y. So 1 by y plus minus t e power minus 1 by y means t. So 1 by y square dy which is dt plus c. Is it clear? Everybody see 1 by y square y cube, 1 by y square into 1 by y. In place of 1 by y, I write minus t. Okay? E power t 1 by y square dy, 1 by y square dy equal to dt. That is the substitution. Okay? Now this is equal to minus integral t into e power t dt plus c. So this is equal to minus e power t into t minus 1 plus c. Yeah? And now this is equal to minus e power minus 1 by y, t value minus 1 by y minus 1 plus c. Which is equal to take common minus e power minus y into 1 by y plus 1 plus c. So left side x into e power minus 1 by y. Yeah.